Here is the third generation of Renault Twingo, personalized by Cars Hatano, based in Japan. Here we have two JDM-style Twingo models, designed as fun-to-drive cars, drawing on the heritage of the rally champion Renault 5 Maxi Turbo and the Alpine brand. The blue C'eLavie 105 Maxi is a vision of a rally car in pure form, with wings widened by 105 mm on each side. Gold wings, an Alpine-like front end, and a fully functional rear spoiler won't fail to convince you that this is a racing beast. But if you don't feel won over, the turbocharged V6 engine should do the trick. And all of this comes on Alpine A110 wheels jointly developed by Ravage and OZ Racing. The red C'eLavie 105 is an everyday city car with a soft folding roof. It is based on the Twingo GT with a finely tuned 140 horsepower turbocharged engine. Hit the like button and subscribe to follow unique car reviews and car show recaps from Japan. Feeling inspired? Get now your Renault Twingo from beforward. Visit beforward.jp. For inquiries, email us at top@beforward.jp.